Hi friends, thanks for coming to the Tetragram app tutorial video created by the Ebony Hempress for the HEMPRESS House, my exclusive cannabis community support group. Before we get into the tutorial, here are a few key takeaways about the app and its potentiality. Tetragram is the first Black-owned tech company for the cannabis industry. The founder, Otha Smith III, is based in Maryland, and he has been featured in multiple publications, including the NY Times. The app is designed to be a resource to medical marijuana patients and the cannabis community at large, with its free cannabis journaling and data analytics capabilities, strengthening our community by encouraging patients to track their consumption sessions, learn about the parts of the plants included in their medications, and take control of their wellness journey. There are also opportunities for dispensaries, cannabis professionals, and healthcare providers to use this app as a tool to elevate their own business endeavors within the cannabis space.
As a true advocate for plant medicine and inspiring creator in the community, it's important to make sure you are offering value. When you are putting value back into the universe, it will reciprocate that back to you one way or another. It's important to be able to have something to give back or be able to leave behind with that person for them to remember you by. Everyone in the industry has swag to give, or a brochure, but who has an app they can offer you as a tool for you to use on your wellness journey with cannabis?
All right, you guys, let's get into the Tetragram app. I really appreciate everyone's patience and everyone being here for this tutorial today. So this is the app. Lots of things you can do. It's going to keep track of your health goals, whether that's physical or mental, what you're trying to use cannabis for. It's going to keep track of the products you're inputting. It's going to categorize them. That QR code will be able to be scanned by a bud tender at a dispensary that implements Tetragram, and they'll be able to check your consumption history to help you with making the right choices at dispensaries. And like I said, it's going to keep track of everything you input. So this is the community section where you can find other people's sessions that they like to share, how well these products are working for other people and for what reasons. So you can find lots of good stuff in the community section. You can also share your own sessions to the community tab. And, find some new 420 friends on there. Moving on to the group section, there are private groups and public groups. Of course, the HEMPRESS House is a private group, so you need an invite link in order to join. But you can also discover other groups. There is a dispensaries directory in here where you can search for different dispensaries across the United States. And the ones that pop up automatically are ones that use Tetragram. But these dispensaries will come up from Google Maps as well as they are updating the app. Moving on, there is a clinicians tab where a host of different healthcare providers can have their own profile, basically, where they can offer their services to people using the app, and they can gain more exposure that way. Also, just wanted to show you briefly how to log a session. It's really simple, but it's just going to prompt you, what are your health goals for this session? Let's say you want some better sleep. Let's say you're having trouble sleeping at night. So you're just going to put down, the different symptoms you're experiencing or whatever you're looking to treat in this session. Keep in mind why this is so useful. A lot of people trying different products out at the dispensary who don't know what they're looking for need to record these things so that they know what is working best to address their issues. It's going to ask you where you purchased this product from, giving you a dispensary option online, home grow, how you plan to consume. You can add pictures, and it will go even more in depth as you continue on logging your session, to the point where it will ask you about the contents of the product based on the information on the label of the package. If you made it through this video, awesome job. Thank you so much for being here. And you just finished the first course ever of the HEMPRESS House. Love that for you. See you next time. If you know someone who is, let's say, a cannabis nurse, or if you know a licensed medical marijuana doctor that is really focused on the education piece to the cannabis community, and you think they would love to use Tetragram to elevate their practice, to be more involved in their patients' consumption sessions, or if you have a favorite dispensary that you think is more health conscious and would love to partner with Tetragram, please reach out to me so that we can get that set up and so that we can connect with that particular business so that we can continue empowering medical marijuana patients. Thank you so much again, and I hope you enjoyed this video.